Diving into the abyss, brave souls battle barnacles and sea monsters, revealing the spine-chilling reality of cleaning multi-billionaire ships underwater. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of maritime vessel maintenance, specifically exploring the spine-chilling job of cleaning the colossal ships underwater. If you find the mysteries of the deep sea intriguing, you're in for a treat. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Biological fouling, the silent menace. As our vessels brave the open seas, they encounter a hidden adversary known as biological fouling, or EPA biosis. This insidious phenomenon involves the unwanted buildup of microorganisms, plants, algae, and small sea creatures on the submerged surfaces of ships, particularly their hulls. The consequence of this underwater colonization is far-reaching, as it instigates the degradation of essential paint and metal structures. These intruders impose a dual threat by significantly increasing the weight and drag on the ship, leading to reduced fuel efficiency. The resultant rise in operational costs not only impacts the ship's economic viability, but also contributes to environmental harm. As these creatures encroach upon the ship's systems, sustained higher loads can lead to lasting damage. The gravity of the situation necessitates the intervention of divers who descend into the depths to combat this silent menace. Beyond the mere aesthetic concerns, biological fouling poses a multitude of challenges that demand attention. Divers find themselves immersed in a world where barnacles and worms create a subaquatic ecosystem on the ship's hull. The underwater terrain is transformed into a breeding ground for marine life, imposing additional burdens on the ship's functionality. These divers play a crucial role in preserving not only the structural integrity of the vessel, but also its environmental impact. The significance of their mission becomes evident as we delve into the intricate dance between man and nature beneath the waves. The diver's task extends beyond the mere removal of these organisms. It is a critical endeavor to maintain the delicate balance between marine ecosystems and the maritime industry, where the health of one directly influences the well-being of the other. The costly dilemma of dry docks. Traditionally, ship maintenance has often been synonymous with dry docking, a process involving the removal of the vessel from the water to facilitate comprehensive cleaning. However, the financial burden associated with this method is staggering, with costs ranging from $1.2 to $1.6 million. This substantial investment includes not only the actual dry docking process, but also the prolonged business losses incurred during the weeks it takes to complete the cleaning and preparations for the ship to set sail once again. The decision to dry dock becomes a delicate balance between the need for thorough maintenance and the financial strain it imposes on ship owners. In response to this costly dilemma, a growing number of ship owners are opting for a more economically viable solution, cleaning their vessels while they are still afloat. This alternative approach involves deploying skilled divers equipped with specialized gear to navigate the intricate and challenging task of underwater cleaning. By avoiding the expense of dry docking, ship owners aim to minimize financial setbacks while ensuring that their vessels remain seaworthy. This shift in strategy highlights the constant quest for efficiency in maritime operations, where innovation and pragmatism intersect to address the complex dynamics of vessel maintenance. Ship husbandry, a risky undertaking. The unconventional method of cleaning ships underwater, often referred to as ship husbandry, introduces a unique set of challenges for the divers tasked with this perilous job. These individuals, possessing a special skill set, find themselves working extended hours in dark and oily waters beneath docks and harbors. Their isolation in hazardous conditions, with no direct access to the surface, adds an element of danger to their already demanding role. The potential risks include sudden changes in tide and the looming danger of a ship slumping, creating an environment where their every move is fraught with uncertainty. In the realm of ship husbandry, divers must navigate the abyss alone, surrounded by the colossal underbellies of gigantic ships. The absence of a direct pathway to the surface amplifies the challenges they face, making their mission a test of skill, resilience, and nerve. As we explore the daunting conditions these divers willingly plunge into, it becomes evident that their contribution to maintaining the seaworthiness of vessels goes beyond the physical realm. It is a testament to their unwavering dedication and the critical role they play in preserving the integrity of maritime infrastructure. Evolving technology in underwater cleaning. The evolution of technology has revolutionized the once manual process of cleaning ships underwater. In contemporary maritime practices, the cleaning of ship hulls is witnessing a shift towards automation and eco-friendly methodologies. While traditional air tanks remain a staple for divers, fixed hose systems and cutting-edge drones are emerging as transformative tools in the underwater cleaning arsenal. These modern technologies aim not only to enhance efficiency, but also to minimize the environmental impact associated with traditional cleaning methods. The introduction of drones into the maritime cleaning landscape marks a significant step forward in the quest for sustainable practices. These unmanned aerial vehicles operate with precision, cleaning ships without causing damage to the outer coating or polluting surrounding harbors and docks. Their powerful suction mechanisms and containment capabilities set a new standard for effective, environmentally conscious cleaning. As we explore the integration of technology into this age-old practice, it becomes clear that innovation is not only improving efficiency, but also mitigating the ecological footprint of maritime maintenance. Saturation diving, living underwater. Some underwater cleaning operations require a plunge into depths that surpass conventional diving limits, leading us into the realm of saturation diving. This advanced form of diving entails living in a pressurized chamber for extended periods, reaching up to 28 days. Saturation divers breathe a carefully balanced mixture of helium and oxygen, creating an environment that mimics the pressure of the surrounding sea. This prolonged underwater stay demands a unique level of mental fortitude and physical resilience from the divers, turning their mission into a veritable undersea odyssey. The saturation diving experience is akin to a mission trip beneath the waves, carried out by a dedicated team working in shifts for up to 6 hours at a time. Their living quarters within the pressurized chamber include bunks, creating a temporary home for these underwater pioneers. As we delve into the extraordinary conditions of saturation diving, we gain insight into the sacrifices and challenges faced by those who choose to live and work in this underwater habitat. It is a testament to human adaptability and innovation, pushing the boundaries of exploration in the name of maritime maintenance. The rise of robotic solutions. In the pursuit of safety and efficiency, the maritime industry is witnessing a paradigm shift with the rise of robotic solutions for underwater cleaning. Remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, have emerged as versatile tools, fitted with an array of instruments and operated from the safety of a surface vessel or ship deck. These remotely controlled machines navigate depths that surpass human capabilities, eliminating the need for divers to endure the physical and physiological challenges of underwater work. ROVs play a pivotal role in mitigating human errors and ensuring the safety of deep-sea activities. Equipped with a wide range of tools, they operate in environments where human survival would be impossible, offering a solution to the inherent risks of underwater maintenance. However, the operation of ROVs demands a high level of skill and expertise from operators who control these complex machines. As we witness the integration of robotics into maritime maintenance, it becomes clear that the industry is not only evolving technologically, but also prioritizing the well-being of its workforce through innovative solutions. The underwater hull cleaning process is a challenging endeavor fraught with uncertainties and hazards. It plays a vital role in global maritime transportation, and as we've seen, innovative minds are working tirelessly to develop technologies that make this job safer and more efficient for the brave divers who undertake it. I hope you found this exploration fascinating. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Until then, safe travels everyone.